Do you think you would never fall for a cyber scam? Online scams are getting smarter and scarier. What if I told you millions of smart people lose money every single day with just one wrong click? Your savings, your identity, gone in seconds. Let's uncover the latest scams making headlines and learn how you can stay one step ahead. Let's kick things off with one of the most common, yet dangerous, online scams today. Number 1 on our list: fake courier or delivery messages scams. You get a text saying your parcel's delayed. Just click to track it. But that link? It's a trap to steal your personal details or install malware. Real example. In 2021, fake Royal Mail messages spread the Flubot virus across the UK. And in 2025, scammers used fake FedEx and DHL tracking pages to steal banking data in the UAE and India. How to spot fake courier or delivery messages? Always check the URL carefully. Scammers use tiny misspellings to fool you, like fedsdelivery.info instead of FedEx, or dhlparcel.com with parcel spelled wrong. At a quick glance, your brain reads it as the real site. But those small spelling errors are the biggest red flags. And remember, scammers always create urgency. They'll say things like, "Click now or your parcel will be returned." The moment you feel pressured, pause. It's usually a trap. How to stay safe? Never click delivery links in texts. Always check the courier's official website or app. Download courier apps only from verified app stores. Up next, a classic that never goes away: phishing emails. These scams are getting sharper every year, so let's see how they work. An email from your bank says your account's blocked. Click to verify. But that click hands scammers your login and your cash. Real example. In 2023, fake Chase Bank and Rackbank campaigns fooled thousands into entering passwords on cloned sites. How to spot phishing emails? Look for urgent tones, strange sender addresses, poor grammar, or requests for sensitive information. How to stay safe? Don't click suspicious links or reply. Forward phishing emails to your bank's fraud department. Delete them immediately. Contact your bank directly to confirm. Now, let's talk about a scam that targets people looking for work: fake job offers. It often starts with a dream job, but ends in lost money. Congratulations, you're hired. Sounds great, until they ask for a registration fee. Real companies never charge to hire you. Real example. In 2025, scammers on Telegram pretended to be Amazon recruiters, tricking people into paying training fees from AED 500 to 2000. How to spot fake job offers? Watch out for job offers that seem too good to be true, like extremely high salaries for very little work. Real companies don't hire without proper interviews, but scammers do. If the recruiter is emailing you from a Gmail or Yahoo address instead of an official company domain, that's a major warning sign. And if they push you to pay quickly for training, registration, or equipment, it's not a job, it's a setup. Legitimate employers never ask you to pay to get hired. How to stay safe? Verify company websites and HR emails. Never pay for a job offer or visa. Use official government or companies' portals for verification. Trust your instincts. If it feels wrong, pause and check. Next up, the promise of quick profits and guaranteed returns. Crypto and investment scams are among the most costly. Guaranteed returns, double profits. Sounds tempting? That's the bait. Once you invest, the site disappears. Real example. The 2021 Squid Game token scam wiped out millions. In 2025, fake Dubai crypto platforms lured users with social media ads and vanished with millions of dirhams. How to spot crypto and investment scams. Investment scams are easy to recognize if you know the signs. They promise unrealistic profits, like doubling your money in a week, something no genuine investment company can guarantee. They show fake testimonials, often with stolen photos or AI-generated faces to make everything look believable. And the agents will pressure you with lines like, "Invest now or you'll miss the opportunity." Remember, real investments never need urgency. How to stay safe. Before investing anywhere, check if the company is officially registered and licensed to operate. Read real reviews, not just the ones they send you. Look up independent websites and forums. And most importantly, avoid investment offers that come through WhatsApp, Telegram, or random DMs. Legitimate financial institutions don't recruit clients through chat apps. Ever got a call saying your computer's infected? Let's uncover the truth behind fake tech support scams. You get a call from someone claiming to be from Microsoft, telling you your computer is infected. They speak confidently, use technical words, and sound completely legitimate. But the moment you let them access your device, that's when the real damage begins. They can see your files, your passwords, even your banking apps, and within minutes, they can take everything. Real example: fake Microsoft pop-ups in 2024 gave scammers remote control of victims' computers, leading to drained bank accounts. How to spot fake tech support call scams. Unsolicited phone calls or text messages claiming to be from tech support. Tech support scammers usually reach out when you're not expecting it. That's the first red flag. They might call or text you out of nowhere, pretending to be from Microsoft, Apple, or your internet provider. Internet pop-up windows telling you to call a tech support number. Sometimes you'll see pop-ups on your screen saying your device is infected and you must call a number immediately. Legitimate companies never show phone numbers in warning pop-ups, and they never contact you this aggressively. If the support message comes from a random website, ad, or sudden pop-up, it's almost always a scam. How to stay safe. Close suspicious pop-ups. Never share remote access or payment info. Scan your device immediately. Scrolling for the best deal? Hold on. Before you click "Buy now," here's what you should know about shopping site scams. Next on our list. Designer sneakers for 80% off? Sounds tempting, but deals that look unbelievable are usually fake. Scammers create professional-looking shopping websites that copy real brands like Nike or Amazon. You place an order, enter your card details, and that's where the scam hits. You lose your money, your card gets compromised, and no product ever arrives. Real example: during Black Friday 2024, thousands of people were tricked by fake Nike and Amazon websites offering massive discounts. How to spot shopping site scams. Unrealistic discounts, poor grammar, missing HTTPS in the website's URL, unrealistic prices, and fake contact information are the red flags. How to stay safe. Buy only from verified sellers. Use secure payment gateways. Check reviews and domain names carefully. Love online can be beautiful, but sometimes it's a trap. Let's talk about the next scam on our list: romance scams, and how they play with hearts and wallets. They build your trust, then ask for money. If love costs you cash, it's not love. Real example: in 2022, the FBI reported over $1 billion lost to romance scams. A UAE woman lost AED $350,000 to a fake US doctor online. How to spot romance scams. Fast emotional attachment or money requests. If love costs money, it's not love. Their profile looks too perfect. Stunning photos, luxury lifestyle, flawless words, but it's all fake. They rush you into trust. saying, "I love you," too soon, asking you to keep your relationship secret. Then comes the crisis. A sick relative, a stolen passport, or a business problem, and they ask for help. How to stay safe? Video call before trusting. Never send money to someone you haven't met. Who doesn't love free stuff? But some downloads hide danger. Here's what to watch out for in our next scam: free game and app download scams. That free game or app might look harmless, but it could be hiding spyware or cryptominers, silently stealing your data or draining your device. Only download from official app stores and think twice before clicking install. Real example: the fake Minecraft Better Together mod infected thousands of Android phones. How to spot free game or app download scams? Before downloading a free game or app, watch out for these red flags. Unofficial sources. Avoid apps from unknown websites or links. Suspicious developer info. Check who made the app. Fake or missing details are warning signs. Excessive permissions. If a game asks for access to your contacts or camera, think twice. Fake reviews or download numbers. Manipulated ratings can trick you into installing malicious apps. Stick to official app stores and protect your device. How to stay safe? Download only from trusted developers. Cross-reference. Visit the official company's website to find a direct link to their app in the store. Use security software. Consider using a reputable antivirus or mobile security app. Let's dive into the next scam: survey and reward scams. Take a survey, win a phone. Sounds easy, right? But here's the catch. These surveys aren't about prizes, they're about your data. Every click you make, every detail you share, your name, email, even your location, can be sold to spammers or used in future scams. In 2023, fake Netflix surveys tricked thousands of people into giving away their email IDs. Those emails were later flooded with phishing links and fake reward offers. So remember, if a reward sounds too good to be true, it probably is. How to spot survey or reward scams? Unsolicited contact, unrealistic rewards, requests for payment, lack of transparency, pressure to act fast, poor grammar and spelling. How to stay safe? Ignore such messages. Look up reviews. Report and block the sender. Investigate the company's background before proceeding further. Next up, the too good to be true offers. Fake social media giveaway scams. You've won an iPhone. Just click the link. Sounds amazing, right? That's the catch. No one's giving away free iPhones. These messages are traps. Real example: fake Tesla and Apple giveaway accounts scam thousands on Instagram. How to spot fake social media giveaways? If it asks for personal information or payment to claim a prize, it's a scam. How to stay safe? Never share personal information or pay to claim prizes. Verify giveaways on official pages. Ever dreamed of getting that blue tick? Watch out, scammers are now exploiting that too. Let's uncover social media verification scams next on our list. You get a message saying, your account qualifies for verification. Click to apply. That link steals your credentials. Real example: in 2025, fake Meta and YouTube verification pages hijacked influencer accounts. How to spot social media verification scams? Official platforms and unofficial social media platforms never send DMs asking you to verify your account. Scammers use urgency. Verify in 10 minutes or you'll lose your account to make you panic and click. They might even ask for payment or personal details, pretending it's part of the process. Don't fall for it. How to stay safe? Don't click unknown links. Verify accounts and information independently. Verify the account only through an official website or app. Check for HTTPS at the beginning of a website address for secure connections. This one straight out of a science fiction movie, but it's real. Let's expose the next scam: AI voice scams and deep fake calls. Imagine your boss calling, asking for an urgent money transfer. You send the amount, but it wasn't really them. What would be your reaction? These things are actually happening. Real example. In 2024, a Hong Kong employee was tricked into wiring $25 million after a deep fake video call. How to spot AI voice scams, deep fake calls. A natural, robotic or monotone voice delivery. Urgent and fear-based requests. Unusual requests for money. Demand for secrecy. How to stay safe? Verify on a second channel. Ask a personal question only they'd know. Insist on a video call. Never send money immediately. Check caller metadata. Disconnect the call immediately if you suspect a scam. And finally, last on our list, a scam that hides in plain sight: QR code and payment scams. You scan a QR code at a cafe and your money vanishes. Real example. In 2025, fake QR stickers on parking meters in Singapore redirected users to scam sites. How to spot QR code scams? First, check for tampering. Watch for stickers or overlays hiding the real code. Next, verify the source. Avoid scanning codes from random walls, emails, or messages. Next, preview the link. Use a secure scanner that shows the URL before opening it. Lastly, confirm authenticity. Make sure the link starts with HTTPS and matches the official brand. How to spot payment scams? Check for proofs. Scammers can show edited payment screenshots. Verify the authenticity of the payment link. How to stay safe from QR code and payment scams? Always verify QR codes. Use your own trusted payment app. Double-check the website or payment page URL. Avoid scanning codes from public walls or random flyers. Never share OTPs or payment confirmations. Review the payment before hitting send. Which scams are the most dangerous? Let's see. Some scams are clever, but these are the most dangerous. Deep fake scams, where AI copies real voices and faces to trick you into sending money or data. Crypto scams, promising big returns but leaving you with zero. And tech support scams, fake calls or pop-ups that steal control of your entire system. Different scams, same goal: to make you trust the wrong person before you even realize it. What to do if you're scammed? If you've been scammed, contact your bank immediately. Report it to your country's cybercrime unit. Change all passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Warn others. Your story could save someone else. These are some verified portals to help you stay protected. For other countries, you can search for your local cybercrime reporting website or your national cybersecurity authority. Scams don't just steal money, they steal peace of mind. But awareness is your best defense. Have you ever faced a scam like these? Share your story in the comments. Let's help others stay alert, stay safe, stay informed and protect our data. Subscribe now to Cybersecurity Learners, and together, let's outsmart the hackers.